So hello guys, welcome back to my channel Masterclass by Sarkars. My name is Rangan Sarkar and I am a first year undergrad student at IIT BHU. So last video में थोड़ा mic का issues हुआ था but I fixed it. So I guess the audio quality is also as good as the video quality. Also मेरे को ऐसा rumors आ रहा है आसपास से कि the mains would be scheduled by the end of July or August and also NEET I guess. So start studying guys और relax मत कीजिए and stay safe in your homes. So this video would be again a problem on electrostats, but these are the typical type of problems. ये सब problems आपको पता होना चाहिए, ये mains type के problems हैं और ये आपको पता होगा ना. तो the building blocks are there, these are the building blocks of electrostats. So the question, it's a very typical type of problem, but I would show you a good approach how to solve these problems with ease, especially if non-uniform density is given. That what I am trying to do. First क्या बोला है कि this is a rod and the charge per unit length is lambda of x. Okay, charge per unit length is lambda per x. So at a point P, let's say this distance is E, the whole length is L, right, and say this angle is theta. So we have to find out the electric field at this point P. This is the most general case I have taken. Okay, so what we do in this type of problems is that we take a small element dx, we calculate the charge on that. We know the Coulomb's law for a point charge, right? So we actually calculate the electric field of that point charge of dx to P and then find out the x component and the y component, and then root under ex square plus ey square gives us the value. So what we do here is first take small element dx which behaves as a point charge. Okay, next use Coulomb's law. Coulomb's law and find out ex and ey, and at the end answer is ex square plus ey square, right? So if we take a small element dx, okay, this is a small element dx, what will be the charge on that? It will be lambda of x, I don't know what's the lambda, into dx. Okay, this is the charge dq. Now from Coulomb's law we can say that k dq by this square, this distance square. How will we get that distance? We are taking this element x at a distance, dx at a distance x. Let's say that length is given here. This is for example capital Y, let me say, या फिर r ले लेते हैं इसको. R is a more general term. R, theta भी ले सकते हो आप. You could calculate r from the theta as well. See what it says. So k dq by r square plus x square. ये वाला लेंथ क्या होगा? r square plus x square, right? So basically this is what it is. Now this will become k lambda x dx r square plus x square. Now my friends, this would be in this direction. So इसका एक थीटा का component इस साइड होगा. What will be ex? Ex will be this into cos theta. Now cos theta again is x by root under x square plus r square, base by perpendicular, and Ey is where theta I am writing, where tan theta here is actually tan theta, this tan theta is actually x by r. X by r. This tan theta is x by r. So this into cos theta, this into sin theta, you have got a function. You just integrate it from minus a, x is minus a to L minus a. Minus a to L minus a. Right. You integrate it from minus a to L minus a. So you will get from this function, ये function तो अभी हमको पता नहीं है, but जो भी function होगा हम इसको easily integrate कर सकते हैं, या आपको integrable function ही दिया जाएगा, ऐसा कुछ उल्टा सीधा नहीं दिया जाएगा. So the last answer that we'll get E is root under ex square plus ey square. Right, and tan theta, that is the net electric field with the horizontal, would be Ey by Ex. Right. This is all. So just keep in mind these 3 points. ऐसा questions बहुत easy होता है, and I have seen people mess up with this easy questions. These are the bonus marks that you could get in your competitive exam. So hope you like the video, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and like and share with all your JEE friends. And कोविड का धीरे धीरे सेकेंड वेव जा रहा है. लेट्स कीप आवर फिंगर्स क्रॉस्ड, वी कैन सर्वाइव थ्रू इट. जय हिंद. सो मिलते हैं गाइस नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. पीस आउट.